To apply a single basic color for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra color scheme, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Tap color palette. Next, tap the crayon offset next to color palette until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap basic color to see some basic color palette available. Select the desired basic color you like to use. As a note, while selecting the palette, you can see how the selected color palette will look like if it's applied in this preview section. As the example, we will select purple. Here, you can also choose to apply the selected color palette to your app icons. To do so, scroll down the screen and then tap the crayon offset next to apply palette to apps icon to enable this option. Now, tap apply button to apply your selection. As you can see, the selected color palette, in this case purple, has been applied to menus, app icon, background and apps throughout your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.